Hello guys, welcome in today's crypto technical analysis. In today's episode we will be discussing BTC and Ethereum price actions. Also, we will be announcing the winner from the last giveaway video. I really hope that you enjoy and learn from the content. As usual, I will provide a key educational content with a clear levels, and I hope that it will help you to take your own trades. Bear in your mind the levels for the BTC and Ethereum are changed. Before we start, hit the like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Now, without wasting your time, let's start. Starting from a weekly time frame. When we look into a weekly time frame, we see in the last 3 weeks a beautiful green candles. However, I'm expecting, as long as we're going to be closing this week above 61,800 and around 62,000, that would be ideal for the weekly time frame. Moving on to a daily time frame. Daily time frame, finally, after 30 days of consolidation that you saw from the previous high was around $62,000. We saw a dump in the market, V-shaped recovery, again little bit of consolidation. However, the consolidation is started from the 13th of March, and that took us over 30 days to consolidate, and finally we managed to break the resistance level of 61,800. And on daily time frame it looks quite healthy and bullish. 4-hour time frame. If we're going to recap from the last video, as I said, the primary level that we need to watch is going to be around 61,500 and 62,000 level. As you saw, clearly breakout. We reached to the target perfectly, around 64,000 and 65,000, as I said, with a $105 difference. We saw a minor dump in the market, and as you can see perfectly, these 2 weeks was inside this box, which was as expected. And from there we saw a rejection from 63,800, and as I said, maximum that we're gonna get a wick around 60,100. And as expected, today we saw another dump in the market, which is a minor correction for me. Most of the time frames are healthy. We're gonna do multiple time frame analysis very soon. As you can see, now we're having a rejection right from the lower line of this support, which is 60,100. These levels are old levels and we don't need them anymore. Before we move on to multiple time frame analysis, if you want to learn all these technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense mentorship is available. It only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master. On the 4-hour time frame, we're going to be following this parallel channel, where you can see a number of times it acted perfect resistance, resisted, and supported perfectly, supported from the beginning. Now we can see that it matched with the upcoming resistance line of 63,100 and 62,400 level, which it matches with our median line of this parallel channel. At the same time, lower line of this parallel channel, it matched with our support line down below, which was rejected. That's the new level, by the way, rejected right inside from this box as well. So which is going to be 60,300 and 59,500 levels. So I'm expecting a minor rejection again from this median line. You saw we have a resistance and little bit of consolidation. If the lower time frames gives us a bullish signal, that we're going to look into it in a minute, and you can take a long position if you didn't take it at around this level. At the same time, I took a new fib level, which is from the recent swing low all the way up to the recent all-time high. And as you can see, it perfectly rejected right from the 0.5 golden zone of the Fibonacci level. Also, that you can see it, 786 zone matched with our horizontal support line, where it's just confluence with the median line of this parallel channel. So as usual, we will be looking at a confluence within these 4 regions. These are the important Fibonacci levels. If you know how to use the Fibonacci, you can trade based on the Fibonacci levels. So the current condition of the 4-hour time frame is healthy and bullish. As soon as we stayed above, as I said in my previous videos, around 67,500, 67,600, 4-hour moved into bullish territory. From there on, already that you saw, I provided a target levels of around 64,000 and 65,000. You've been already up by 12% spot profit. If you are a leverage trader, you do the maths, 10 times it would have been 120%, 5 times over 60% profit. Moving on to 2-hour time frame. 2-hour time frame, as soon as we managed to break the 58,350, we moved into a bullish territory, retested perfectly dollar to dollar. As you remember, since then we are on the bullish territory. From there, you've been already up by 11% plus spot profit. So current condition of the 2-hour time frame is in consolidation zone. If we cannot manage to break it 61,900, 62,000 levels, we will see a further consolidation on the 2-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame is under the consolidation territory right at this moment. So as I mentioned, these are the new horizontal support and resistance zones. This zone of 58,300, 57,100 is too early for us to talk about at the moment. So if we're going to stay under lower time frames above, manage to break and stay above 63,100, 62,400, we are good to go towards our target zone, if you remember, $68,000 and $70,000 range. However, I'm expecting for some time we're going to consolidate a little bit over here under lower time frames. Then higher time frames, as I said, it's still healthy and bullish, and it shouldn't be a problem. As long as under 2-hour time frame we can hold at this level, then we are good to go and there is nothing to worry about. Bullish scenario, staying above the resistance and then going up without any issue. The bearish scenario, I don't want to talk about the bearish scenario. However, consolidation scenario is going to be around this area, as I mentioned. Before we move on to the Ethereum scenario, I would like to announce the winner from the last giveaway video. So we're going to copy the link from the YouTube and we'll go to the commentpicker.com. So we'll paste the link for the video and get the YouTube comments. We have amount of comments as 9. We're going to start raffle and pick the random winner. Okay, the winner is AH. Congratulations and thanks very much for your support, and you can contact me via Telegram at Magnate8 with your favorite coin, and we will have a 15 minutes coaching consulting call. Ethereum under 4-hour time frame. Since we managed to break, as I kept mentioning, 1750, 1770, the 4-hour time frame moved into a bullish territory. So since then, we reached to our first target price, dollar to dollar, 2,200 level. That provided to us 25% nearly spot profit. And then, as I mentioned, that we're going to see some minor correction in here, and then we are good to go towards our second target zone, which was around 2,500 and 2,600 level. So if you took this trade, you've been already up by 45% spot profit. So if you took it 10 times leverage, that would have given you 430%. If you took it 5 times leverage, around over 215% spot profit. So there is nothing to add actually. This minor correction was expected, and right at this moment 4-hour time frame is bullish and healthy. 2-hour time frame. If you remember, 2-hour time frame started giving a bullish signal right around here. It's around 1710, 1720 levels. You've been already up by, if the position is still open, because 2-hour time frame never gave an exit signal, you've been already up by nearly 50% spot profit. So the current condition of 2-hour time frame is healthy and bullish. 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame is still healthy and in the bullish zone. However, the upper line of this support at the moment acting as a resistance, 2,420, 2,450 levels is going to be acting as a resistance. So I'm expecting some sort of minor rejection from here, and we'll be testing again 2,420. But this time, if the 1-hour time frame and 30 minutes time frame cannot manage to hold this level of 2,350, highly likely the price will go and visit 2,230 level, which is lower line of this support line. In the end, we might go under 1-hour time frame into the bear zone. However, even if the price will come to this zone, that's going to be a consolidation under a 2-hour time frame. So as I said, under 2-hour time frame, we are still healthy. However, we might see some sort of rejection. But this time, 1-hour time frame enters into a bear zone. So 2-hour time frame is still healthy and bullish. As long as we're going to be above 2,420, the price action will move on to the fully bullish mode. 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame, still similar scenario as a 2-hour time frame. However, we might see some sort of consolidation between upper line of this resistance and then lower line of this second support line. If we're going to lose upper line of this support, highly likely on the 1 hour time frame, we will see a further correction in the market, and that will be around 2230 level. There is nothing to worry, and the market is still healthy and bullish. There you can see my recent updates via my Twitter account. If you're not following me, you can follow me at CryptoMagnate8. And 2 days ago, less than 48 hours, Matic provided 15% spot profit. Sushi provided 13% spot profit. Cardano was another one with a 25% nearly spot profit. So for the market and urgent updates, you can follow at CryptoMagnate8. We came to an end of this episode, and if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.